Hi. Out of the shirts produced in a factory, 15% are defective, while 20% of the rest are sold in the domestic market. If the remaining 8840 shirts are left for export, then the number of shirts produced in the factory is how much? Okay. So let's say the number of shirts produced is 100x. I'm taking 100 so that it's easier to do calculations. Now out of this 100x, 15%, that means 15x are defective. Right? So if 15x are defective, how many are remaining? 100x minus 15x. So we have 85x remaining. Right? Now out of this remaining 85x, 20% are sold in the domestic market. 20% are sold in domestic market. So 20% is how much? 20% of 85x will be 17x. They are sold in domestic market. So the remaining will be exported, right? And what will be the remaining? 85x minus 17x, which is 68x. So 68x shirts are exported, and we know the shirts exported are 8840. So what we have is 68x is effectively equal to 8840. Hence x comes out to be 8840 upon 68. So let's simplify this. This goes by 4 17 times. This goes by 4 2210 times, and 2210 goes by 17 130 times. So the question is, how many shirts were produced? The number of shirts that were produced is 100 into x, which is 130. So 100 into 130 is 130 into 100, 13,000. So option B is the right answer here. The number of shirts produced is 13,000. Thank you.